This will be a quick video. I will go over the steps to flash the Raspberry Pi OS on a microSD card. The steps I show in this video will work on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, so no matter what operating system that you are running on your computer, as long as you want to flash the Raspberry Pi OS on a microSD card, this video should help. You will need 3 things to complete the flashing. You will need a normal computer other than the Raspberry Pi. Secondly, you will need a microSD card reader. And finally, and of course, you will need to have a microSD card. The first step is to download the operating system image. Open a browser on your computer. Go to the Raspberry Pi official site. Click into the download section. Find the operating system that you would like to flash on your microSD card. Click on the download and wait for it to finish. While it's downloading, let's go into the next step, which is download the Blender Etcher. This is the tool to do the flashing. To download the Blender Etcher, just go to their website and click on the download and wait for it to finish. Once the OS image and the Blender Etcher is done downloading, you can install Blender Etcher if you're using Windows or Mac OS. If you are using Linux, you can just unzip it. You will also need to unzip the Raspberry Pi OS image since we downloaded it as a zip format. Then we can move on to the next step, which is flashing. Put your microSD card into your card reader and plug it in to your computer. Open the Blender Etcher, drag and drop the operating system image that we just downloaded. Select the SD card we just plugged it in. Then click on the flash button and wait for it to finish. When that is finished, unplug your microSD card, then insert the card into your Raspberry Pi, then power the Pi up. Now your Pi is booting up with the newly flashed operating system. So there you have it. That's the step to flash the Raspberry Pi OS on a microSD card. You can use those steps to flash any operating system on your Pi. This video is a note for myself and I think it could be helpful for you guys as well. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you around.